Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I made this bohemian seashell charm bracelet. For this you're gonna need some seashells, thread and a pair of scissors. Tie a knot first, keeping one palm of the rope for later. Look closely. I am untwisting of the thread now. Insert the thread first in the front, then in the back and secure the shell. Secure with a knot. P.S. Most of the bracelets are likely to be 7 inches. I made it 7 inches by the way, but you can customize your own. Hope you get it. Look closely how I knot the shell and tie the rope. Now I'm gonna fast forward the session. Repeat this technique until you reach your desired size. Twisting the thread again and you're good to go. If you have any sort of queries, please comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe my videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.